Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your USDC from Binance to Robinhood in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and platforms evolving, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's smooth and secure. First things first, why do this? USDC is a stablecoin that's great for transfers, and Robinhood offers easy access to trade it alongside stocks. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by logging into your Binance account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. It's a must in 2025 with all the scams out there. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDC is held. Step 2. Find your USDC balance and click on Withdraw. You'll see a form pop up asking for details. Here, choose the blockchain network. Stick with Ethereum or whatever Robinhood supports to avoid any compatibility issues. Double-check this, as using the wrong network could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Now, you need your Robinhood wallet address. Open your Robinhood app, go to the crypto section, and copy the USDC wallet address. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Binance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Review everything, address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with your 2FA code. Once submitted, the transaction will process, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. Step 5. Head back to Robinhood and check your account. Your USDC should appear soon. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always test with a small amount first, and never share your private keys. Crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Binance to Robinhood in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.